Wilderness is not a luxury, it's in our veins. For when everyday adventures lead to unexpected experiences, Hypershell has the power and technology that takes you there. The M1 Bionic motor can offset up to 30 kilos of weight. Feel light and agile like never before during hiking, running and mountaineering. Gain extra horsepower in hyper mode, even at your best pace. Move fast, break records, make a history of your own. Don't drive it, live in it. Hypershell extends your body with 14 high-precision sensors that capture your intention and step in with zero delay. The full alloy frame and weatherproof design make Hypershell incredibly light and sturdy. Hypershell can be easily folded and stuffed into almost any backpack. The high-density batteries will take you there and back again. Extend 16 miles range for single-day use. And rest assured, even in multi-day trips, easily move through the day with a motion engine that adapts to 12 miles per hour pace and 60 degrees climb with 10 additional joints. Life's short. Step further with Hypershell.
Okay.